Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the all-new Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Oppo F11 Pro. While the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with a Samsung Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and A51 comes with a quad cameras on the back versus a triple cameras on the Oppo F11 Pro. So let's see how much a difference between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Oppo F11 Pro. So let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Samsung Galaxy A51, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. And one thing is very interesting about the A51 is that this phone is running on the latest version of Android, which is the Android 10 right out the box, while the Oppo F11 Pro it is still running on Android 9. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo F11 Pro is also done. And you can see not a huge difference between the A51 and the Oppo F11 Pro, but I have to say that still Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster than the Oppo F11 Pro when it comes to booting up. Let's see the apps opening speed, and you can see both phones comes with a beautiful display. We have a full view display. It means that we don't have any notch, any hole on the display, while the A51 comes with a infinity or display. It is a hole punch display inside the Super AMOLED display, and A51 comes with a Full HD Super AMOLED display versus a IPS LCD display on the Oppo F11 Pro. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let's open up some more apps. We have settings, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones. Let's open up some more app, my clock, and that is a little bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's open up the calendar, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51, and F11 Pro is right behind, not a huge difference there. Let's open up the calculator on both phones, and that is again faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51, followed by the F11 Pro. A51 give you a very smooth animation when you open the app and when you go to the home, very smooth experience. And you can see also we have a dark mode on the A51 which you don't see on the Oppo F11 Pro right now. So let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much a difference between the Exynos 9611 versus a MediaTek Helio P70. And you can see Oppo F11 Pro is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51, which is very interesting result that we got in this video. Let's open up Subway Surfer, and now let's see who is faster. And you can see again Oppo F11 Pro is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51. I mean the Exynos 9611 chipset, it is not as fast as the Oppo F11 Pro when it comes to app loading times. So last game application I'm gonna open is the Temple Run 2, and let's see, seems like Oppo F11 Pro is faster. And you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Both phones is really fast, and you can see that was exactly the same, no difference there. Very shocking result on both phones. Let's open up YouTube on both phones because same Wi-Fi network on both phones as well. And you can see faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. Last I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the A51 versus a default Google Chrome on the Oppo F11 Pro, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org, and launching at the same time, and you can see exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. It is a heavy website, and you can see seems like about the same on both phones, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones. Maybe Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster because the ad is show first on the A51, so that is why I think it is faster. But again, you guys are the judge of the speed test, and you can see Scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones comes with a 6 GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is performed better in the RAM measurement. Phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. Settings that got refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's open up my clock, no refresh. So far A51 performed really good, but one application refresh on the F11 Pro, again refresh, two application refresh. Candy Crush Saga, same result. Subway Surfer, again no refresh. Last game application is the Temple Run 2. And last we are back to the YouTube. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Oppo F11 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A51, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is about the same on both phones in system based application as well as the game uploading time. Not a huge difference, I have to say. RAM management is really good on the A51, but one or two application is refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro, and that's about it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.